Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Julio of Studio Suite. Julio, how are you doing today?
Doing good. Thank you, Alicia. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So this week our video is another demonstration video. You're going to be showing us the scheduling module within the Studio Suite software. So let's just jump right into that scheduling module. Tell me about that.
Yeah, thank you, Alicia. So that's another great thing about Studio Suite. It goes hand in hand with the contact module, but there is a specific module like you mentioned. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and I'll just get started on this quick sneak peek. So this is what you would see when you open up Studio Suite. You would see the projects that are happening today, the events, which are line items associated with these projects right here on the left side. We can see tasks and follow-ups. So this is the home screen that helps you get organized throughout your day. If we click on employee schedules, here we can see all of our schedules. So if we click on find all, we can see all of the schedules that we have. Now, if you don't want to sort through them, you can also filter. So if I click on, let's go to my example, Julio Studio Manager. So it looks like there's nothing there. Let's see if the other one has some data. There we go. So it looks like for my example, I have 4 different schedules. So I've been scheduled on the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. So that's one way to do it and find your schedules. You can also create a new schedule from here. Now, one of my favorite things is create my schedules from within the calendar module. So I'll show you how to do that real quick. So here it is. We're looking at one of my presets. This is my production crew. So in this one, I can either assign people from here, from the resources side, or if you see these resources that are colored tan, this is correlating to our employee schedules. So right here, let's say that I want Alan Peterson, and I want to add him to a schedule. I can just do that. I can choose the days that I want him on the schedule. The times, I can have any notes, like do a great job. And I'll just do save, and that's all. You can also, and here's the one that we created. For Alan Peterson, we scheduled him for the 5th and the 6th. Also, if you double click on it, you can reassign this. So maybe if you don't want Alan and you want Eddie, you can do that really easy from here. Once somebody is assigned to a project or somebody's scheduled, you can also have Studio Suite send them automatic notifications. So that's under the setup area, and we'll show you how to do that. It's really easy. So that's a time saver because you don't have to be notifying everybody once they've been scheduled. So there we go, 2 ways. You can use the scheduling module, or you can schedule from within the calendar module, and be assured that if you have selected any of these resources to get an automatic notification, then they would get notified once they're assigned to a project. So that's a real quick summary for you. I'll hand it over to you, Alicia.
Great, Julio. Thank you so much for showing us that. And I really like how you pointed out that it can be done within the scheduling module, but then you also have the option to do it right there on your calendar view as well. So I'm sure that'll help if you want to see everybody's schedule so that you know exactly where to plug people in where you need them.
Yeah. Some of us are a little more visual than others, so yeah, depends on your style.
Wonderful. Well, I love that the Studio Suite software can adjust to your style to help you run your studio in the most effective way. So if you'd like to find out more about the Studio Suite software, you can get in contact with them. You can give them a call at the number up on the screen. You can send an email to info@studiosuite.com, or just visit them on the website, studiosuite.com, and make sure that you are liking them and following them and subscribing them on all social media. Thanks again, Julio.
Thank you, Alicia.